Once you've got it installed, you just want to open it up. We can go to settings. And there's going to be a bunch of options which are optional, but the ones that are important are the ones like the maximum video output size. If you have a 4K video, you can set it to 2160. If you're only using 1080p, then you can set it to 1080. The other options are the interpolation. You can leave all of these as default. We can skip through a few of these. And the other important one is the maximum output frame rate. This one is the one that will determine what you are aiming for. So we want to set it to 60. Encoding settings. In here, we can select the video MP4/MKV. The video encoder is very important. So for this one, if you have a dedicated graphics card, such as a NVIDIA graphics card, then I would recommend to set it to this one, H.265. This is a newer codec compared to H.264. Everything else we can leave as normal. These are optional, and that's pretty much it. The rest of them, we can leave them as default. We can close this down, and then we can go over to the interpolation. In here, there is some more important settings. Starting off with the first one right here, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you can set it in here. So I'm going to be using this one. The video import, this is where you actually import the video. So if you go to browse, you can select the video that you want to use for this example or want to convert to 60 FPS. This will automatically do the output direction. And since this video that I have is only 12 FPS, it's an animation, I want to set mine to a ×5, which will make it go all the way up to 60 FPS. We're going to leave it on a normal speed. And then this is another important one. This is the AI model that you're going to be using. So the best one is the 4.0. This is the latest version. And then once you're happy with the settings, you can click here and this will start to process the video. And there we go. The video is done. And now if we have a look at this, you can see this one is the original. This is the 12 FPS. Like I said, it's an animation, so this is normal. And then this is the video that we converted to 60 FPS. You could tell a big difference. It kind of looks weird because obviously it's an animation and it's supposed to have that feel to it. This video right here, this is supposed to be 30 FPS, but because it was slowed down, it has dropped it all the way to 15 and it just looks really slow and choppy.